Hi everybody, another very quick video. Leslie, why do you only make videos for lady students? Okay, so I'll make another video for lady and gentlemen students. So here we go. Just thought I would give you a little bit of vocabulary. So this is called a hammer, and obviously a nail. Now the idea is that you take the hammer and you hammer in the nail. You can also drive the nail into the wall. An expression with hammer is to be hammered. This means to be so drunk. So ironically, this can also be connected to alcohol. This is a screwdriver and a screw. The idea is that we screw in to the wall. Ironically, to be screwed also means to be taken advantage of. To screw someone over means when you take advantage of this person. An example is the internet company didn't explain the hidden cost, so they totally screwed us over. Now also be very careful, because to screw can also mean to have sex. When you use the word screw, be careful to be talking about tools only. The last little bit of vocabulary I want to teach you today are pliers, and this is used to pull out nails or screws. If you want me to go into more detail, let me know. I am listening. Any suggestions, let me know. Be sure to like and subscribe. Leave us comments down below. Leave us suggestions. Let us know how we can help you, what vocabulary you're looking for. As always, take care. This was a quick video. Bye.